Hey, what's up YouTube? We are about to install some OLM V2 F1 rear brake lights today on the BRZ. So definitely kind of an easy install, ain't nothing too crazy on this one. So it's not like the rebuild or nothing like we did last time. So basically it's just a little brake light that kind of flashes and makes a nice little fancy reverse, little backup lights come on. So yeah, ain't nothing too crazy on this one. Just a simple install. We got some carbon fiber mirror covers as well that we're going to be installing on this today. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to do the wiring and how to do all that, but it's not really anything crazy. It's just a plug and play system. So yeah, let's get right into this, and yeah, thank you guys for watching again. So this is what we're looking at right here. So this is basically all in here. So we got the F1, it's the V2 version, so it's mostly plug and play. This is just a little plastic covering on it right now. But yeah, this thing's gonna look really nice on the BRZ. It's gonna give it that nice fancy touch. So you can see the stock one's not really too crazy. It's not, honestly not cool at all. It's kind of a little tacky honestly for a new car. So this one's gonna definitely look a lot better. Alright guys. We got, what else do we got in the box? So we got the wiring right here. So we got these wiring we're going to be able to wire down into the back of the trunk. For this install, it's just a few simple steps, nothing too crazy. Like I said, comes with some instructions, and that's about it. So yeah, let's get right into this. Close these mirrors. Close these mirrors for me.
Are you gonna go back over or what?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, for that, okay.
Alright guys, so basically on the bottom of the car down here, got some clips we need to take off. Got one right there, another right there, another right here, on the far back. I'm going to just pop those off real quick. Little tool or whatever you use. Okay. That's not coming out good. Okay, where's this one going now? Oh, what the hell? Come on. Okay, well this one, I don't know why it's not separating from this piece. God. This thing just don't want to come off.
Took all the clips off?
Oh, there it goes. Sheesh. I had to use some force on that one.
Oh yeah.
Alright. I got that one too. Finally, sheesh. I'll very carefully take this off. I don't want to bend it or nothing. I got this plastic piece that comes off. Find all your little things if they flew off of you, your little clips. Alright, once you're done with that bottom piece, now you can go take either a Phillips or maybe, it looks like kind of like a 10mm, or a 10mm, or an 8. Take those bolts off. Now you can pull it off, and you probably got a plug somewhere. Yep, we got a plug right there. Alright, got it. Sheesh, finally got that shit unclipped. Alright, now that that's unclipped, moving on to the top. Alright, next step to do is go into your trunk. And now you're gonna have to take off this little plastic piece. pop right off, nice and easy. There you go. And we got some screws. We got one right there, one right there. Now we're gonna take this headlight off real quick. 3 screws real quick. And you can actually do either headlight. You could do this one or you could do the other side. A lot of people said this one's preferred. And then you just gotta pull it towards you, like just like that. You got a clip down here on the bottom. Hopefully we could get this one off good and easy. Got it off. All right, let's put this to the side real quick. Now the next step is you're gonna keep this wire out. There's a part right here that's gonna clip into that. And basically it's gonna be a plug and play type of thing. And then you feed the rest of this wire down to the bottom in this little gap right here, which I'm about to show you. Feed it down to the bottom right there. And you should be able to plug it into that part right there and then to the rear brake light as well. So basically it runs kind of electronically on the head, on the tail light. So whatever functions going here kind of transfers to there. So yep, I'll show you how that works. So we're gonna use this piece, plug it into this piece right here. So just like this. So you're gonna grab this connector and then basically just plug it in there. Snaps in. This is gonna be for your tail light now. And this is going to feed down to the bottom along with this wire. So this wire is basically just going to plug in like this, just like that, and we're going to feed it all the way down to the bottom for the 3rd brake light, or 4th brake light actually. I gotta cut this. It's kind of stupid they zip tied this, honestly, because I could cut a wire. Well, let's feed this down into the bottom. There's probably a better way I could feed this down, but I'm just gonna try to maybe grab it on my way down. So now you got a feel for it on the bottom. Alright, so you're basically gonna just feel for that wire down there. It should be somewhere right here. And you're gonna pull it this way. Maybe not too much, that was a little too much. Alright. And you don't want that near your exhaust system, so make sure you don't have it tucked in there, or else you're gonna burn those wires. Alright, so now you're gonna take your brand new 4th brake light on here, and you're basically gonna put it up exactly how you took the other one off. But before you do that, you're gonna route this pretty much this way. Yeah, this one probably goes this way. Oh, it's really weird. It's opposite. Why do they have it on this side? It's kind of dumb. Okay guys, for some reason there's a bolt right here that needs to be taken off. So once you take that off, you can pretty much route this wherever you want it now. Let me just take this off too. This little clip thing. I don't know why that was there, but it was. And that's basically, let's put this right here. And we're gonna be clipping this one in right here as well. Put that one in first. And then you got your old clip that you just had. And let's clip that one in as well. And then now you're gonna clip this one in. Now you're gonna bring this one, try to bring it as close as you can. And then clip that sucker in. So they provided us with some zip ties in here. So now, I would just zip tie, watch, hold this a little more lower so you can see. So now you're just gonna zip tie this right here. Zip tie some excess wiring so you don't have as much. Alright, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Just kind of ran wires with the zip ties. Now, okay. Now I'm gonna put this thing back just how I had it before. And they're just like that. Now you're gonna get your old bolts. You're just gonna bolt that back in there like how it was. Just like that. Once that's in there, not crazy tight, but a little tight. So basically once that's all finished, you're gonna get your taillight again and you're gonna plug it in just to the connector that they provided for us. Make sure that pops in there just like that. Tuck in some of this excess wiring and then you're gonna make sure you pop this headlight back into place. Bolt your headlight back in, just how you had it before. Alright, so now any excess wire you got down there, you're going to want to zip tie it up to the top somewhere safe so it's not touching your exhaust. You got that brake light on now, so now we're just going to put the cap back on and put the the clips back in and we're good. Test it out. Let's just pop this clip back in here real quick. Once you're done with that, everything is pretty much good and ready to go. Put your clips back on the bottom where they go. Wish I could show you guys this right now, but it's kind of hard for me to point the camera down here. But everybody should know how to use some basic little black clips for cars. So these little ones right here.
Just press the button.
Yep. Now my wife is getting in the car now. Just gonna press the fourth brake light. Oh yeah, put the music down. Okay, now she's gonna get in there. She's gonna press the brake. Oh my goodness, that is very nice. All right, now she's gonna get off the brake. Press the brake again. Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so there's a running light on the car. So turn on the car real quick. It's supposed to do a little dance. Oh yeah, look at that. Turn the lights on the car. So when the lights are running, does a little dance right there real quick for you guys. It's pretty cool. So that's basically a running light on the bottom. You're going to see those two twins on the bottom. Very nice. Very, very clean. Put the car in reverse. Don't pop the clutch.
Alright.
So now the car is in reverse. So you see that reverse light we got there? Very nice in the middle. Alright. She's already installed. So basically that was a nice demonstration of it. And yeah, it's very good. Press the brake. Press the brake. Very, very nice. Alright, I think we're all set on this install. See that brake light is very, very nice. Very, very clean brake light. Sheesh, there's a whole different look on it now. Very, very nice. Sucks how we're doing this tonight, but it is what it is. Alright guys, so now we got some carbon fiber mirror covers we're going to install real quick. Just got to clean your... Once it's all cleaned up, you can just slap them right on. It is just a mirror cover, so it's nothing crazy. So, wish they were actually caps, but they're not, unfortunately. So right here, they come in this fancy little box, and then you basically just see which one it is. I believe this one's the other side. This one has to be this side. Pretty nice little carbon fiber. This is $110 is what you get right here. You get a little slap on real quick on there. So this is what $110 gets you. Nice little carbon fiber right there. Which actually is very nice. Wow. So you got the tape right here. Let's go ahead and get that tape off. This is where the stickiness happens. Mark your spots. Okay, first, you're gonna have to wrestle with this a little bit. You're gonna have to make sure you get it on there good. This is only a one-time stick. So now it's on there very, very good. Very, very nice how the carbon fiber looks. Now we got some more carbon fiber added to this car. So, oh yeah, and today, Subaru finally sent me my emblem that I've been waiting on for so long. So thank God for that. So now the car's pretty much complete. Now we gotta put on this driver's side carbon fibers. Got yourself some carbon fiber mirrors there. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching. We finished up this OLM 4th brake light install, the carbon fiber mirrors as well. Very clean on the car. I highly recommend these parts. If you guys are looking for some cool things to do on the BRZs, these are definitely ones to start with. So you're basically protecting your mirrors, and you also got some nice lights in the back now. For any people that, you know, can't see you, now they can definitely see you with that light back there. So nobody's gonna be wrecking into you no more. Fit some videos in so we can get some more content in. I've been very busy lately, so again, thank you guys for watching. Check out my other videos. I had some drone footage that we did the other day. That was a very good video as well, so definitely check that out, the drone footage. Kind of got dark early on us, so unfortunately I don't have more time to do anything else. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like for more, and have a good night. Peace.